There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is
Wait,
all about that.
I've got it all. I've got all the WhatsApp chats.
What?
They're in my bag. I've got everything.
Seriously?
Seriously, have I ever disappointed anyone? Have I ever disappointed anyone except for my viewers? If I was Navika, I would say that, but I'm not Navika, I'm Manisha, so we'll get to the point. Arnab Gate! TV news की दुनिया में तहलका मच गया है. You can't blame us today for focusing our entire show on Arnab Goswami. मतलब सब यही कर रहे हैं.
All that I know about television is what I learned from him.
That explains everything about you, Navika. If you've learned everything from this guy, then we really can't blame you now, can we?
I was among the people who he hired in the first go.
Takes one to know one.
If I speak about sanskar, if I speak about values, if I speak about ethics in the world of social media, there will be people who will lampoon me.
Lampoon? We will not do that. We will just sit चुपचाप and listen. बोलिए नविका जी, क्या है आपके संस्कार?
Despite knowing that this is how social media will react, this is how critics and liberals will react, I will still go into the fact that I believe in my sarkar.
सरकार? अभी तो संस्कार की बातें चल रही थी. Navika, do you believe in your sarkar or do you believe in your sanskar? Or do you believe in your sanskari sarkar? You don't even have to try too hard to lampoon Navika. Navika ji, at least you could have rehearsed your lines well enough to say sanskar instead of sarkar. Sanskar, different from sarkar. This whole Arnab Gate or Arnab WhatsApp chat really brought out the Alok Nath in Navika.
We draw a line. Commercial success is not as important as your own roots, your own morals, your own sanskar, your own ethics, your own values. I just hope God gives me the strength that I don't become the vulture that he possibly has gone on to become. But I just hope जितनी भी success किसी को भी देना, मुझे सक्सेस एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ माई वैल्यू सिस्टम कभी मत देना भगवान, बिकॉज वैल्यूज ज़रूरी हैं. इंसिडेंट्स, सक्सेस विल कम एंड गो.
And just like Alok Nath, much of Navika's sanskar are on show for a scripted TV show. We'll tackle Navika and her sanskars later. पहले मुद्दे पे आते हैं. The Mumbai police has filed a charge sheet in the TRP scam case. Charge sheet के साथ-साथ Mumbai police has also submitted a massive data dump of WhatsApp chats of BARC CEO Partho Das Gupta. Some of these chats are between Republic TV's Commander-in-Chief Arnab Goswami and Partho Das Gupta. Before we get into the show, the standard disclaimer.
ये चैट मुंबई पुलिस ने चार्जशीट के साथ रिलीज की है. इन चैट्स के मुख्य पात्रों से न्यूज लॉन्ड्री का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. मुख्य पात्रों यानी प्राइम एक्टर्स, नॉट टू बी कंफ्यूज्ड विद पात्र जो एक प्राइम टाइम एक्टर है.
So, these chats are part of a charge sheet. Primarily, the chats are being produced by the Mumbai police to prove corruption and malpractice in the TRP system. TRP systems ही हैं जिससे ये डिसाइड होता है कि कौन सा चैनल नंबर 1 है और कौन सा चैनल आउट ऑफ द रेस है. What's got everyone talking though are the chats between Arnab Goswami and Partho Das Gupta, which are more than 500 pages long. मतलब काफ़ी बेस्टी टाइप मामला था. News Laundry team went through more than 500 pages of chats to bring you what exactly their implications are. First up, deep down inside, Arnab is really just an ordinary WhatsApp uncle, forwarding WhatsApp uncle jokes.
गजब का है दिन ... सोचो जरा, उमर हम भी अकेले, महबूबा हम भी अकेले, अमित शाह मजा आ रहा है क्वेश्चन मार्क पब्लिक कसम से.
देखिए, चाहे आदमी कितना भी नंबर 1 न्यूज चैनल बन जाए, उसके व्हाट्सएप जोक्स की क्वालिटी बिल्कुल आपके सामने वाले चाचा की तरह हैं. These chats also tell us that Arnab and Partho ji don't really like anyone in the TV news business. So Arun Puri is top to bottom fake, part of Congress propaganda machine. Rajat Sharma is an utter fool with a substandard channel. Raddeep Sardesai is losing his job. Sagrika Ghosh is rotting in times. Ashok Malik is a hypocrite. And Rahul Shivshankar is an ass. Rahul और ass? ऐसे कैसे आपने अर्नब लाइट को ass बोल दिया? गंदी बात. Shocking that they are talking about a towering news personality who has taken us to court for a lot less. Now look, people like to gossip. And I'm sure if your chats were leaked, you're probably saying as much, if not more, about your colleagues and rivals. TV media is a cutthroat industry, and judging from how cutthroat Arnab is on air,
तकवाले हो गया ना तुम्हारा काम.
I'm not surprised at his feelings for Rajat and Co. But I am surprised about some of his feelings about some other things. This is Arnab on air.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that GDP is doing fine, the economy is doing fine. We are seeing a V-shaped recovery.
This is Arnab on the chats.
NMAS should first reject finance ministry in second term. The economy is screwed, no matter what we tell outside. Jaitley is their biggest failure.
That I agree, totally.
Economy is screwed? Arnab, Bharat Mata ke bare mein aise bolte hain? Who's the anti-national now? This is Arnab on air.
We have someone who is not just the central figure in Indian politics, not just a central figure in the Modi government. Someone who was missed a lot when he went away for health issues for a while, for a few months. And I've missed that. I'm sure a lot of people have missed your sessions in Parliament. That's a difficult. Arun Jaitley. Ms. Jaitley, I wish you all the best. Good health and happiness. Thank you so much.
At around the time Arun Jaitley was really unwell in August 2019, these WhatsApp chats reveal a conversation that show Arnab Goswami for the ruthless businessman that he was.
Jaitley, stretching it. PMO doesn't know what to do. PM leaving on Wednesday for France.
So hasn't died yet?
Maintaining him. I expect something by evening. One of my meetings in Delhi this week gets pushed because of this.
मैंने कहा
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
When it comes to Modi ji though, Arnab be like दोस्ती बनी रहे. आखिर TRPs का सवाल है. Check out this conversation between Partho Dasgupta and Arnab in 2019 before Republic TV was about to interview Modi.
Try and make him say something new, some announcement in your interview. Last few Modi interviews across channels have not spiked much because they are very thanda. Let him announce something big.
I spoke to the PM after we spoke, confirmed for Wednesday between us.
Okay, great.
He has our channel in his room.
मोदी जी, आप रिपब्लिक देखते हो? अगर आपको न्यूज़ चाहिए तो न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री देखो.
You should get a photo and do an ad with this.
Expecting a big spike today because we are plastering Modi across full prime time unlike others. His speech is terrific.
मुझे टीआरपी दो, मोदी को प्लास्टर कर दो पूरे चैनल में टीआरपी, मोदी. That's Arnab's drug actually. TRP is truly Arnab's truest friend. On February 14, 2019, a suicide bomber rammed into a vehicle carrying CRPF personnel. 40 Jawans died in this attack. The news of the attack started trickling down late afternoon, and by 4 p.m. Goswami was boasting about how they were covering the biggest terror attack in Kashmir.
Sir, 20 minutes ahead on the biggest terrorist attack of the year in Kashmir. ... Only channel with a ground presence.
Modi happened yesterday.
Have planned some build-up thing after we spoke. Idea to gain massive spike. So used his speech yesterday and pushed it by a bit. This attack we won like crazy.
This attack we have won like crazy. India didn't win that day. We lost 40 lives. 40 families lost their sons, husbands and fathers. An irreparable loss for 40 families is a win for Arnab Goswami. Ratings badi and nationalism. Ratings. That's not all. Remember this joker?
मैं चाहता हूं आपकी आवाज सारे जगह जाए. आप गाइए, जरूर गाइए.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा.
Here's how Arnab justifies his presence on TV news.
This Altaf Hussain is an asset for you. Was just watching a clip.
Boss, प्योर रेटिंग्स।
और अगर आपको लगा था कि कंगना और अर्नब के बीच की दोस्ती उसूलों की दोस्ती है, सच्ची दोस्ती है, तो ये पढ़िए।
Good interview of Kangna.
Thanks a ton, man. It's gone berserk.
Must be. Topical and you got it out of her. Stopped her from rambling and made her say things that will get controversial.
You know इस सब में कट किसका रहा है? आपका। जी हाँ। Here's the chief of a news channel and the chief of a ratings agency discussing how they can use nationalism and SSR's death because they think you like watching this. They think that what you need from a news channel is not news but a nightly tamasha. Arnab says as much.
Interesting analysis. News becoming more competitive than Astro and serials as election approaches.
Hey, News Laundry का story है, पढ़ो ना.
News is being compared to astrology and serials as the elections approach. हम तो कब से बोल रहे हैं कि रियलिटी शो है, बट जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमें लीगल नोटिस मिल जाता है और जब ये बोलते हैं तो इनको एडवर्टाइजर्स मिल जाते हैं। Elections are based on informed choice. Your right as a citizen before voting is to know the credentials of those who are standing for elections. But who will do this job? Not this man, not these guys. It will be news platforms whose rosy roti doesn't depend on TRPs and advertisers. Because when the public pays, the public is served. News Laundry and its amazing reporters who do reports which are quoted often by other media houses are powered by your support. So I urge you again, go to newslaundry.com, click on the subscribe button and pay to keep news free. जब तक आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन चलेगा तब तक हमारे रिपोर्टर्स चलेंगे और हम टीआरपी के लिए कभी नहीं नाचेंगे, वो इनका काम है और रिपोर्टिंग हमारा। As for Arnab Goswami, these chats reveal so many things about the man. The main takeaway though is that he's exactly what he hated. We've all heard Arnab abuse Lutyens media, Lutyens lobby day in and day out.
Insecurity, incompetence, pettiness, personal dislike, etc. When all these negative attributes come together, then it becomes a cocktail of self-deception and a suicidal instinct, which are the defining characteristics of the perishing greatest non-performing asset of India, which I call Lutyens. If there is one word, one phenomenon, and one group of people who are detested in this country today, it is and it is only those who are part of the Lutyens or Lutyens, I don't know how you pronounce it. Let's call it the Lutyens Club. A complete revamp of Lutyens is necessary. That at a moment like this, some sections of the Indian media, especially the Lutyens media, should introspect at how they have betrayed the people of India and betrayed national interest for all these years.
सारा दिन Lutyens media को गाली, but in these chats, Arnab talks about meeting the PMO almost every other week. मतलब ये मोदी जी ने आज तक एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं दी है, बट अपेरेंटली हिज ऑफिस हैज ऑल द टाइम टू मीट अर्नब गोस्वामी। पीएमओ ही नहीं, अर्नब की सेटिंग INB में भी चल रही थी अगर हम व्हाट्सएप पढ़ें तो।
Apparently, there is some complaint about Republic in ministry. It's yet to be referred to us, 1JS told, but I think it will never come.
About the Dish FTA thing, Rathod told me and said he's keeping it aside. Keeping it aside. Keeping it aside.
This Dish FTA thing is not a thing. It was a complaint that was filed against Republic TV. In 2017, when Republic TV launched, it was telecast on DD Free Dish. DD Free Dish is Doordarshan's DTH service and channels have to auction to be available on it. But Republic never auctioned and it never paid fees. But still it was available on Free Dish. बिना फीस दिए Free Dish में प्रकट हो जाना is a serious violation of norms and this violation cost the state broadcaster Prasar Bharati, which runs DD, at least rupees 52 crore. News Laundry broke this story in December 2020. अब हम अपनी तारीफ तो करते ही रहेंगे, रवीश जी को सुन लीजिए।
11 दिसंबर 2020 को आयुष तिवारी ने न्यूज लॉन्ड्री के लिए रिपोर्ट की थी। इस रिपोर्ट की बातों से जब आप इस चैट की बातों को मिलाकर देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि बातें हवा में नहीं हो रही हैं।
Listen to Ravish Kumar explain the News Laundry story in his own unique style.
मामला यह है कि अर्नब गोस्वामी के चैनल ने दूरदर्शन के फ्री डिश चैनल का गलत इस्तेमाल किया। न्यूज लॉन्ड्री के अनुमान के अनुसार इससे प्रसार भारती को 52 करोड़ का नुकसान हुआ। डीटीएच एफटीए पर अपना चैनल दिखाने के लिए ब्रॉडकास्टर को किसी एक स्लॉट को खरीदना पड़ता है, जिसकी नीलामी होती है, करोड़ों रुपए की फीस देनी होती है। जबकि रिपब्लिक टीवी ने फीस नहीं दी, मुफ्त में रिपब्लिक और जी के 8 चैनल समेत 32 प्राइवेट चैनल डीडी के फ्री डिश पर दिखाए जाने लगे। इससे सरकार के राजस्व को नुकसान हुआ, न्यूज लॉन्ड्री की रिपोर्ट कहती है।
So, a complaint that highlighted Republic TV's malpractice that could cost DD 50 crore rupees was set aside. If this is true, who is the Latins media today? Who is talking about influencing policy, meeting ministers, having them set aside complaints? Think about that the next time Arnab Goswami complains about Latins media, and don't be fooled by these guys. Today they are reporting on what News Laundry reported last year because they have a convenient stick to beat Arnab with. Every piece of information for them is means to an end to either bash competition, gain TRPs, or gain the Ashirwad of dear leader. That's not the case with News Laundry though. We did this report before anyone else because we depend on you to support us and not sarkari ads or corporate patronage. So need I say more? Subscribe, do your bit. As for Navika and RSS, we really don't need to say anything about the drama you have put over the last 3-4 days. We'll just show you the mirror.
I just hope God gives me the strength that I don't become the vulture that he possibly has gone on to become. Here, the mark really looks pretty even on his neck. That's what it looks like here as well. But from here, you can see that there is some discontinuity. I just hope God gives me the strength that I don't become the vulture. To me, value systems are important. Women can be possessive. It's been seen in Indian families that, the wife or the girlfriend doesn't really like too much of the man's relationships with his own family. It's happened. All our Saas Bahu serials are made of it. मैं कहती हूँ अगर TRP रहता भी, जो रहता है, आपने भी उस दौर में काम किया जब TRP रहती थी, मैंने भी उस दौर में काम किया जब TRP रहती थी.
Well, Saif, before I say bye to you, I think our viewers would like another glimpse of Taimur. Is it possible to get him, if he can say, give a flying kiss to our viewers or just say bye to them?
I'm sorry, he's currently on the potty.
Well, we can't quibble with that. It's an important place to be in.
The TRP disease is possibly a disease that has inflicted the television industry, but hopefully, not all of us have succumbed to it. Best weed ever. Ria says in another page.
Ria is counseling. You're telling me, Simone Khambata, that Bhubaneswar is the scene. It has the best weed ever. But we
and
were
I'm
told,
I'm getting messages that weed is also called green or whatever. I don't know. It's pure coincidence that I'm wearing green tonight.
Now, people have faulted me for messing up stories. I take it on my chin. I respond. I say, okay, mistake. Or, we put out a corrigendum. Meng Jiang, captain of the Shang Wei Brigade. Kui Kang, captain of the Shang Wei Brigade. Huang Mu, first lieutenant, Zhong Wei Brigade. Peng Gui Wing, first lieutenant, Zhong Wei Song Zan. I am, first of all, appalled at the ethics of the situation.
Meanwhile, Arnab वही घिसा पिटा राग अलाप रहे थे.
If this is a crime, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, that this is a crime that 130 crore people in India have committed. People in the Lutyens media, police, politicians, Rahul Gandhi, Pakistan Foreign Ministry, ISI, Imran Khan have all come together against me. I want you to shout for me.
पाकिस्तान और राहुल गांधी तो चलता ही रहेगा. But did anyone hear Arnab Goswami deny these chats? Now, we saw how brands and donors abandoned many US lawmakers who, after this shameful day for the world's oldest democracy, continued to push false narrative that Biden and Harris stole the election. In case you don't know about this, let me inform you. Brands like Amazon, American Express, Dow Inc., Hallmark, MasterCard, AT&T and many others decided to stop donating money to US lawmakers who pushed lies and conspiracy theories after this day. This was done to show that there's a limit up till which lies and bad behavior will be tolerated. When you cross that limit, you face the music. Over the years, we've tolerated a lot from Arnab and his ilk. Our Desi patriots and nationalists claim that they backed Arnab Goswami because he cared about the country, cared about the forces. But even after his sickeningly gleeful, self-serving exchange on the death of Indian soldiers, they continue to be his sidekicks and endorsers. This man runs a show called Patriot on this vile channel. This man, who beats his chest about his service to the nation, has no compunctions in still endorsing Arnab and his channel. This man, he'll be a sidekick to anyone so long as he gets relevance. He was never really known for his moral compass anyway. These guys and these advertisers continue to back Arnab, even though today his nationalism, his love for the country, stands thoroughly exposed as a mere ploy for TRPs. That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much guys for watching that episode. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to the News Laundry YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to newslaundry.com. If you want to know more about these so-called WhatsApp chats between Partho Dasgupta and Arnab Goswami, and chats that are between Partho Dasgupta and other actors in BARC, please log on to newslaundry.com. We have a special series on the entire chats and on this case where we examine every little detail. You'll get to know about the controversy around Balakot, what Arnab said about Balakot, what it could mean. You'll get to know more about this INB ministry complaint that Arnab seems to be talking about. You'll also get to know about various conversations on TRP tampering that happened. And basically we are covering everything. So please log on to newslaundry.com. Check out all our reports at newslaundry.com under the Arnab Partho chat subhead, and you'll get to learn a lot more. And need I say more, subscribe to newslaundry.com if you want us to continue doing the work we do. The only way we can keep doing it is if you guys subscribe to us. So your subscription matters a lot, and I'm not just saying this as an appeal, as just a formality, but honestly guys, we don't take any advertisements. If you look at our website, it's completely ad-free. If you look at our YouTube channel, we don't put any ads unless until other companies sometimes put ads on our videos because we've used music or scenes from commercial entities. But we ourselves don't place any ads, and we don't make any money from advertisements. So the only way we can keep doing what we do is if you support us. So please, please, please subscribe to News Laundry. Log on to newslaundry.com, subscribe. It's just 300 rupees a month. Ask your friends and family to subscribe, and of course share all the stuff we do. Thank you. As for our dear subscribers, our Discord service is finally up. On this Discord service, we will have a separate channel called Nuisance Police. I'll be keeping a close watch on it, and you can even chat with me there. So anytime you come across content that you want us to talk about on nuisance, please do it on our Discord channel on Nuisance Police. And yeah, use this Discord service, especially for subscribers. And those who are not subscribers, one more reason to become a subscriber so that you can avail of our Discord service. See you guys next week.